Welcome to GearShift Journey again. So today I'll be unboxing and I'll be giving you a small information on the DJI drone charger and why is it necessary and who should purchase it. Let's unbox the DJI charger and see how it looks. So inside itself. So this is the DJI 65W charger, the USB type cable, USB type C cable, and you also have another connector USB A. You can connect an USB A to any of your devices and use it. And what else? Some paperwork. DJI 65W portable charger manual. So the reason I purchased this charger was I recently purchased DJI Flip drone for my day-to-day activity for my vlogging and other stuff. So when I connected my, let me just put this across. So when you purchase when I purchased the DJI Flip drone, so I got equipped with this charging dock. So it has three. You can connect four batteries to this, and here is the C port connectivity. So when I use a normal mobile charger for this, I've noticed that the batteries are not charging properly and it is taking too much of time. Then after I had a chat with the DJI forum and they recommended me to use 65W charging adapter so that the distribution of the power supply to all the batteries are equal. For example, so this has four charging docks. So now if I just hit the power button over here and turn on, you can see all the green lights are blinking. So this green light over here. So this indicates the battery is full. So when I used a normal mobile charger, so these three batteries were not having adequate power. So I think these two batteries were having only single charge in this, and this was having two green lights. So it was taking longer than expected, and later on I felt very uncomfortable because that is not the way you need to charge these devices. DJI also recommends there is a dedicated video on how to charge these devices. I'll just share the link. So this not only acts as a charging dock, you can use it as a power bank as well. So if you have any mobile devices, you can connect your you can just plug in this USB-C and you can use it to charge your mobile phone as well. This is a smart GAN charger. So based on the battery level, if battery 1 is having the lowest power or the battery 2 is having the lowest power, so it picks up the lowest power and charges from there and gradually it increases. So if this battery is having two dots and these are having three and this is having four, so it picks up the lowest one first, it charges the lower battery to a full cycle, or it charges to 100% capacity, and later on the remaining two, whichever is lowest, it picks up. Recommend this charger to people who are using DJI drones, and I also suggest not to use mobile chargers for your DJI drone because these drones are very expensive. So please treat these drones according to the user manual. So this you can also use this for RC2. You can charge this even with the you can use this device to charge your RC2 remote controller by plugging in. You can just plug in the USB A to USB C and you can connect the RC2 remote controller as well. So this is all about the DJI charger and the power station. Let me just show you. I'll just connect it and show you. Yes. So now the batteries are fully charged. So you can see three green solid lights, three green solid lights, and three green solid lights. So once the batteries are fully charged, so this remains solid green. Yeah, this remains solid green. So this is the beneficial of this charger. So if you're charging it, if you want only a single battery to be charged at a time, then you can use a battery charger that is greater than 45 watts. But if you want to charge three batteries simultaneously with equal power distribution for all the batteries installed, then I recommend everyone to use a DJI 65-watt power adapter, or you get another uh, power adapter that is from DJI, that is 100 watts. But that is too expensive. But DJI recommend this is the best for all the drones. This is the best device to connect or charger device for all the drones. So that's it, guys, from for today's video. So till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Adios.